here, Malik Shivani, talking about the footwear industry in Hyderabad, particularly in Hyderabad. Like I can just categorize footwear industry in two categories, like one is casual and one is formal. Whereas we come to the branded and non-branded. Branded, like in sense, when I entered into the market in 1990, at that time, a few brands were available in Hyderabad. So people were crazy about the brands. When they get some Nike or Reebok or something, they were so happy to get that stuff. But now, in Hyderabad at this stage, like we have many brands. So young guys, particularly male sector, what I am talking of, young guys, they are into like, they like brands. They like to just go for a brands, whether it is a casual, formal or sports. So in fact, like particularly when I talk about females are like, they think of the fashion. Every day they want something new, something different. Like say for example, if I talk about the college girls or school girls, so like when they enter into their teenagers, they want something colorful, something new which goes with their outfit. If that is what we call, is that's like, you know, basic. When they go to college, they need the basic stuff. Basic stuff is particularly like, you know, in all the colors, like when they want to wear it with jeans or they want to wear it with the churidars or this thing, young girls. So they never see the brands, they see the stuff going according to the fashion, because females are more of fashion conscious, like. So and then we come to teenage, after teenage, like we come to the girls who are working. So they need the stuff which is comfortable because they are wearing for 12 hours because they are working. So they need some different sort of stuff. So when again we talk of females who are married, at the time when they are getting married or the party wear stuff, they are very choosy, because party wear stuff is a thing, like, you know, people will notice them when they are going to some parties or some I can say like pubs or somewhere. Then they need that stuff what they are wearing, that should be noticed by other people. Whereas we talk of bridal collection, fine, that is the main thing what I think that it should be the best one. And particularly when in my showroom, I keep the bridal section totally different, because they want each and every color to go with their saris, whatever they are wearing on the reception day or wedding day, whatever. So then girls, particularly female section, what I am talking of now, is they are very choosy about the colors, the stuff what they are wearing. So when we are talking of again wedding time, they need a very good stuff, and the stone studded stuff, which I normally, the raw material what I import from China, Thailand and other countries. So like that stuff, particularly stones, you know very well that China has a very good stuff on stones. Like when we are talking of the Swarovski stones, so definitely that is much more good quality available in China. What I import from there, I put that stuff into my factory which is located in Bombay. I get that stuff done in Bombay and I just put it into my showroom.